Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to map Facebook lead ads fields to your CRM effectively using Pabbly Connect. So if you are also using Facebook lead ads for promoting your business and for generating a lot of leads for your business, then I'm going to tell you how you can build a flow between your Facebook lead ads account and your CRM application. So here, for example, I'm going to use Keep as my CRM application, and here I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Keep in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my business, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, I will create a new contact in my Keep account. So for creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to automatically create a new contact in my CRM application by using all the detail of my lead from Facebook lead ads. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can map Facebook lead ads fields to CRM effectively using Pabbly Connect. So here as my CRM application, I'm going to use Keep, and here you can use any particular CRM application that you use for your business, and you can connect that with Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect you can build an automation between Facebook lead ads and your CRM application without any coding and programming skills. So suppose here I'm the owner of an event planning business, and I use Facebook lead ads to gather the information from potential clients interested in weddings, corporate events and parties, and to make sure I capture the right details, I map the specific fields from Facebook lead ads like name, event type, budget, and all the required details that I want to my corresponding fields in my CRM application. So this mapping will ensure that all the information flows smoothly into my system so I can quickly follow up with clients, sign personalized quotes, and schedule consultation without any confusion. And by mapping the fields effectively, I save time, reduce errors, and stay organized. And ultimately, this will be improving my chances of converting leads into booked events. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now with this connection and this automation, what is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my event planning business, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, I'm going to add those lead details in my CRM application, and I'm going to create a new contact. So here I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to map Facebook lead ads fields to your CRM effectively using Pabbly Connect. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of automation, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to click on Create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. Now here, what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to do that. And here I need to first click on continue. And again, I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have these two tabs of page and the lead gen form. So here I need to first select my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign, and here I need to select the Facebook page of my business. So for the page, I'm going to take you to my Facebook account. And here this is my Facebook page of Summer Smiles where I'm running my ad campaign. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, for selecting my Facebook page, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'll find all the Facebook pages that I have in my Facebook account. And I'm going to select that particular page that I want to use. So here, this is my Facebook page of Summer Smiles. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to select my lead gen form. So here I can select any particular lead generation form that I want to use. And here in this tab, I'm going to find all the lead generation forms that I've created for my ad campaign in my Facebook page. So here you can select any particular lead gen form for getting your lead details. And here I'm going to use all lead gen forms. So I'm going to select that. And now here I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Grid button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Grid button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I need to generate a new lead by filling out my lead generation form. And here I'm going to generate a test lead or a test submission. So here for this, I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live. And as my form is going to be live or my ad campaign is going to be live, then I can generate the new lead. And as I will generate a new lead, then I'm going to get that response of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. So for getting this webhook response and for generating a new lead, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer here. So I'm going to take you there. And here I need to go to resources where I need to use developer tools. So I'm going to open that. And now here in developer tools, I need to scroll down and I need to use this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here I have these two tabs of page and the form. So here I need to first select my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to find my Facebook page first. So here this is my Facebook page. So I'm going to select this. And my lead gen form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click here on this preview form button. And as I'm going to click here, I will get my lead generation form. And as I'm going to get my lead generation form, that I need to fill the dummy details in that form so that I can create a new test lead or I can generate a dummy lead. And as I'm going to generate that lead, then automatically I'm going to get that response in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here. Now here this is my lead generation form, and in this I need to give the full name, email and the phone number of my lead. So here I'm going to fill all these details, and here first I'm going to give the full name. That is going to be demo user. My email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on continue. And again I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form and I have generated a new lead. Now that as I have generated a new lead in Facebook lead ads for my event planning business, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received all the detail of my lead. So here I have the full name of my lead, that is demo user. I have the email, that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. So here we can see that automatically as I have generated a new lead by filling out my lead generation form through Facebook lead ads, then automatically as I have generated that lead, I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. So every time I'm going to get a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to get that lead response here in Pabbly Connect. Now that as I've received all these details, I want to use all these details and I automatically want to map these details in my CRM application so that I can create a new contact by using all the detail of my lead in my CRM application, that is Keep. So here for doing this automatically, I need to set up my Actions tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Keep. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm going to select Infusionsoft by Keep. And now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create/update contact is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Infusionsoft by Keep with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keep. And here first I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Keep with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a new contact, I need to fill all these details. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my lead, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So by using the response of Facebook lead ads, I'm going to get the required details from that response, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So here for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here I need to map the email address of my lead. So this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now here I have this tab of email opted in. So if I want to enable the email opted in option, then I can select yes here. And if I don't want that, I can select no. So I have selected no here. I'm going to scroll down, and I have this tab of how to check for duplicates. So here I need to select the field by which I'm going to select the duplicate of my contacts. So here I'm going to select email, but you can select any other fields too, like the email and the name, email and name and company. I'm going to just select email, and I have these two tabs of first name and the last name. So here I need to add the first name and the last name of my lead, but from my response of Facebook lead ads, I'm receiving the full name of my lead. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my full name into the first name and the last name, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for splitting the name, what I need to do is I need to add one more action step between Facebook lead ads and Keep. So I'm going to add that. And here I need to use a tool that Pabbly Connect offers, and that is Text Formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Text Formatter by Pabbly here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and split text is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Text Formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I need to first give my text to split. So here I'm going to map the full name of my lead. And now I need to split that in the first name and the last name. So for that, I need to use my separator, and here the space between the first name and the last name is going to be my separator. So for giving the space as a separator, we need to use this particular code, and we need to keep the word space in curly brackets. So I'm going to type that here. And now that I have added my separator, I need to give my segment index. So from my text, I want both the first name and the last name. So I'm going to use my segment index as all, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. Now here we can see I have split the first name and the last name. Now I'm going to map these details in my step of Keep. So I'm going to open that, and I'm going to map the first name. So I'm going to open this response of Text Formatter by Pabbly, and here this is the first name. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. And now I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. So here I need the phone number extension and the phone number of my lead. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map those details differently, but from my response of Facebook lead ads, I'm receiving the phone extension and the phone number together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split that too by using the text formatter. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this step, and I'm going to paste that here again. And now I'm going to open this tab, and now I'm going to clear this text to split, and here I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. So here this is the phone number. Now I'm going to give the separator, which is going to be my phone extension, which is +91. And now I'm going to give my segment index. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select second as my segment index. And now I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. Now here I have splitted the phone number of my lead. Now I'm going to again open this response of Keep. And first I'm going to add the phone extension, which is going to be +91. So I'm going to type that, and now I'm going to map the phone number. So I'm going to open the second response of Text Formatter by Pabbly. And here this is the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to map that. And now I have filled all the required details and all the details that I have received as a response from my Facebook lead ads account. Now I have all these other tabs too, but I'm not going to map or fill these details because these are not the required details, and also these are not the details that I'm receiving from my response of Facebook lead ads. So here I have only added the details or mapped the details that I have received from my Facebook lead ads response, and I have successfully mapped those details. And now as I have mapped all these details, now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time, and with the new lead I'm going to create a new contact in my Keep account. Now that I've filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully created a new contact with all the detail of my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads, and I have mapped those details here in my CRM application. Now to check whether I have created a new contact or not, let me take you to Keep. Here I'm going to go to Contacts, and here in Contacts we can see I have just created this new contact that is named as Demo User. So I'm going to open this lead. And here this is my new contact that I've just created. So I have the name that is Demo User. I have the phone number of my contact. I have the email that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And here we can see that these are all the details that I have filled in my Facebook lead ads account. And as I have generated a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, I've created a new contact in Keep. So here I have successfully mapped all my details in my CRM application, and I have mapped all the detail of my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads. Now I can effectively manage and organize all my leads in my CRM application, and here I have successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads and my CRM application. So here I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect, and now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my event planning business, then automatically I will add that lead in my CRM application. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Facebook lead ads with Infusionsoft by Keep, which is my CRM application, to automatically map Facebook lead ads fields to my CRM effectively using Pabbly Connect. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here I have used text formatter by Pabbly so that I can split the name and the phone number of my lead. And in the end, I have used Infusionsoft by Keep as my action application, and my action event was create/update contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.